tornado right there.
Ganun.
I feel like there's a tornado right there.
Hindi sa tornado.
Because the winds are getting high. What are the winds? Oh my. Is that it?
Pero pa may habay sa wall na. Kayo sa...
Saan? Saan?
Ito lang ang uniform. Kabak.
Oo nga. Oh no. That's okay. Oh, that's right. Let's see that. Oh, it's covered now.
Video ko ng video dyan. Just pag ikaw may na-videoan yan.
What the hell are you saying?
Pag ikaw may na-videoan dyan ha. Pag yan nalaglag o kaya nanakaw yan dyan.
I thought we saw a tornado, guys. Oh my god.
Alam mo, diba? Lahat ng theories may pasok na.
So, fine.
Kaya ito ang pagkain niya sa akin. Ay, Sanji pala.
Ay,
Kay Saju yan, kay Saju.
patay na si Saju. Ang tayo.
Saju, Saju, Saju.
Go, go. Come here. Come here.
Una, hindi na.
Nope.
Eh. Lang. Oh. Matalino itong tao mo.
Sure. That's funny.
Bigay mo to, oh. Kain tayo.
Ikaw magawa nito eh. Ikaw pumunta kay Lana eh. Ikaw pumunta kay Mablit eh. Di-deliver kami.
That is transforming. That's insane. It's almost transforming.
Makalok na
Oh,
lalaki.
ayun o. Diba? Laban. Ano? Ano? Nakainan ko mga nag-call sa ulan.
Opo, dyan. Na eh. The slide. Sliding. If I start going cool. So that's for me. That's for me. No.
Ulan ka na. Wait, wait lang.
Nothing like that, guys.
Uwi natin.
Obviously, a jacket.
Sumubaba na.
No, no, no. Ulit!
Yes!
Nakita ako tornado. Nakita ako tornado.
Saan?
Nakita ako tornado. Deliver. Safe.
Paki-share na rin. At higit sa lahat, paki-comment naman kung saan mo ang video na to.
Don't know it. Look at this. It's not that heavy. What's that do? I just love you. I just love you. Where's Split? Did you see Split? I just got See anything? See anything? Any viewers? Huh? Huh? Nothing. Hmm. Nothing. Are you serious? I don't like it. You want to see part 2? Make sure to like and subscribe. And really miss this video. Anyways. I'm so happy. God. Guys.